Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Groundhog's Garage. My name is Jim. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I'm working on my 74 Grand Am, getting the hood off the paint, getting the paint off the hood. And I used some paint stripper and got a lot of the paint off. And I think I'm just going to go back around and do the edges now, because that is actually working out pretty well. But now that the paint is off, because if you look at the original paint, you can see how it's checked and you can see how the rust is bleeding through. So now, when you look at it, you can see in the metal, maybe, it looks kind of like it's got veins. What should I do about that? What should I treat that with? Or should I not worry about it? Just put some etching primer over it and it should be good to go. I'm going to get some more coarse sandpaper. I'm currently using 80 grit. That's getting it pretty good. I'd like to see what like 36 grit might do. But yeah, if you got any advice for me, send it along. But I'm pretty happy with the way things are going right now. So I thought I'd bring you along for a little bit, and you can watch me toil away at this, at least for a little while. I couldn't help myself. I want a future vision. Little bites. We're getting there. I'm excited.